Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pink Villa.
The curtains are finally down for Cannes 2018, at least here in India for all us Bollywood fans. The prestigious film festival is held annually in Cannes, France. The fest previews new films of all genres, including documentaries from all around the world. Over the years, we've had many Bollywood celebrities grace the red carpet of the Cannes Film Festival. This year, however, we had our most stunning Bollywood queens attend this prestigious film festival. We had Deepika Padukone, Sonam Kapoor, Kangana Ranaut, and Cannes veteran Aishwarya Rai Bachchan walk the red carpet. It was one hell of a red carpet ride, with the beauties serving us the right amount of style, drama, and lots of on-point fashion. With the film festival coming to an end and our B-Town celebrities having graced the red carpet, this leads us to the biggest fashion face-off of this year. So let's get started! We'll first start with the day one looks of all these Bollywood beauties. Starting off with, this was Deepika's second outing at Cannes as the brand ambassador for a cosmetic giant. Her looks last year received a mixed bag of reactions, so Deepika played it safe this year by wearing a sheer embroidered gown from Zuhair Murad's Spring 2018 bridal collection. By safe, we definitely don't mean that it lacked a punch. Cannes red carpets are all about drama and glamour, and Deepika served the same in her cape detail gown. The fit was impeccable on her and she wore the plunging neckline gown with grace. Wearing her hair in cascading curls, she rounded her look out with a selection of jewels and a glossy lip. The look may not be clutter-breaking or novel, but she did wear it effortlessly. Moving on, we have Kangana Ranaut, who made her Cannes debut this year. The actress walked the red carpet as a brand ambassador for a liquor brand. She wore a dull grey embellished gown from Zuhair Murad's Fall 2017 collection. The sleeveless gown was sheer and had a tulle embroidered train. What captivated us about her look was her styling. While the gown had nothing new to talk about, we love how she kept the makeup fresh and minimal, wore her curls up, and rounded her look out with no jewellery. And then we have Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Another year, another red carpet, and yet another styling Michael Chincho gown worn by Aishwarya Rai Bachchan on the Cannes red carpet. Aishwarya wore a stunning butterfly-inspired colourful sleeveless gown featuring a long embroidered and embellished train and a plunging neckline. Sleek hair, purple eye makeup, and matching pair of earrings finished off her look. Her last year's look was iconic, so we had doubts if Aishwarya would be able to replicate the same this year. And boy, she served us some real good drama in this long train gown. Moving on, we have Sonam Kapoor, who was back on the Cannes red carpet just days after her wedding to Anand Ahuja. She's one to always bring something new and fun to the red carpet, and she did the same this year around too. Dolled up in a lehenga custom made by her designer friends Ralph and Russo, she looked gorgeous. The ivory crop top and voluminous skirt with a train had a drape detail on one sleeve that mimicked a dupatta. The look was styled with dainty earrings and she wore her hair in a braid decorated with a jada choti by Amrupali. We love it when international celebrities bring traditional looks on international red carpet, and we love that Sonam wore this outfit just after her wedding because even the henna became a part of the entire look. The only thing that we take a reservation against is that drape detail. We wish that it was a normal dupatta. We now move on to the respective day 2 looks of our Bollywood beauties. Starting off with Deepika Padukone, finally the moment that we've all been waiting for. Deepika served us a big-time dramatic look while at the Cannes red carpet. She wore a pink ruffled gown with dramatic sleeves and a matching train from Ashi Studios' latest collection. Matching heels, hair tied up in a bun, and smoky eyes rounded her look out. We love how she took a big risk and pulled it off so effortlessly. She looked like a complete angel. Moving on, Kangana Ranaut walked the red carpet too. She wore another retro-inspired look in an embroidered catsuit from Nedo, featuring a plunging neckline. A matching clutch, her natural curls, and minimal makeup rounded her look out. We loved that she wore her natural curls, but the whole look felt a little too disco. The gorgeous Aishwarya Rai Bachchan made her second red carpet appearance. She wore a powdered blue sequined glitter strapless dress from Rami Kadi with a matching embroidered train. Hair tied up in a structural bun and a pink lip rounded her look out. After looking at her look from day one, this look does feel a little underwhelming in comparison. But there's no denying that she looked absolutely stunning. After doing Indian traditional on day one at Cannes, Sonam Kapoor wore another attention-grabbing look. She glided down the red carpet wearing a nude gown by Vera Wang. Her simple gown with a corset bodice and tulle skirt had a floor-sweeping train in an unexpected yellow hue. The look was styled with a red lip and matching yellow eye makeup, and she rounded her look out with hair worn in a low bun. There's absolutely no denying that the look was grand, pretty and Cannes ready. However, the color wasn't our favorite. We kinda wished that the entire gown was yellow. For the red carpet, our vote hands down goes to the stunning Deepika Padukone for finally taking a risk and pulling it off with so much of poise and grace. We loved how there was maddening amount of drama but was balanced out with just the right amount of makeup. After a slightly dull run at Cannes 2018, Deepika Padukone finally arrived, and how. However, we'd like to mention that off the red carpet, it was Kangana Ranaut who won the fashion game hands down. We completely dig the retro look that she opted for her debut at the Cannes Film Festival. Kangana kept it classy in a black heavily sequined half-and-half Sabyasachi sari which she draped in the classic form. She teamed her sari with a Jarrao pearl choker. It was her makeup and hair, however, that won us over. Her hair was styled in a short 60s bouffant hairstyle with the perfect winged eyeliner and minimal makeup. If Audrey Hepburn was Indian, she would look quite similar to what Kangana was looking, and we love it. Our Bollywood beauties sure did serve us some amazing looks. Who was your favorite and the best dressed at the Cannes Film Festival? Do comment and let us know. If you liked this video and want more of these, please like, share and subscribe to Pink Villa.